Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to help you to learn some basic flexibility related exercise, some yoga poses, some exercise steps which will help you to enhance your quality of life. Okay, now what is flexibility? Flexibility helps you to keep yourself in a better shape. It helps you to stay calm. It helps you to stay healthy. Okay, it strengthens the bone. So today, let's do some exercise and make ourselves powerful. Okay, let's start with some basic steps. Just sit down any way you can, any pose which you like. I'm just sitting down in Sukhasana. Okay, the first thing, very easy. Hands by the side of your chest. When you inhale, hands should go up. With exhalation, it should come to the same position. So it's like this. Exhale. Inhale. Give a good stretch on your spine, on your backbone. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Back. Once again. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Come back. One more time, same thing. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Come back. Breathe out. Second step, what you can do, one hand's by the side, other hand's up. Just bend slightly, bend, bend, bend. Stay there, feel the stress. Come up. Once again. Stay there. Come up. Once again. Come up. Now the right hand by the side, left hand up and down. Breathe out. Stay there. Breathe in. Come up. Again, breathe out. Stay there. Feel the stress. Come up. One more time. Stay there. Breathe in and relax. Relax your shoulders. Just relax. Next, a very basic. Join your hands. Okay? From here, from your chest, go out and breathe out. Come back. Okay, so it's like this. Stress, stretch, stretch. Come back. Stretch. Come back. Once again. Come back. One more time. Relax. Next, neck rotation. Very important. So first we'll do up and down. Just your chin. Slowly. One more time. Let's repeat again. Now, right and left. Done? Now let's rotate the neck. Full rotation. Clockwise. Clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Relax. Next, your hands, one hand straight, stretch. With the support of the other hand, pull towards yourself. Feel the stress. Come back. Once again. One more time. Same for the other hand. Now let's do something for the lower body, for the legs. Okay? Lie down comfortably. One leg slowly up. It's not necessary that you pull it so high. It's up to you. Just this much, or if you can this much, or if you want. You can also stretch still here. Next. Down. Try to hold it slowly. If not, still here. If you can, pull it towards yourself. The next one is Setu Bandhasana. Very good for the lower back. Up. Come down. Repeat. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. Next, one leg over the other, this position, and try to pull towards yourself, towards you, okay? You can hold it here, and you can try to pull. Hold it here, try to pull. Hold it here, try to pull. Hold it here, try to pull. Other leg, same. Feel the stress. Relax. Next, mountain pose. A very important pose for the overall development of the body. Okay, just go like this, all fours. Okay, just be like this. Legs touching the ground. Your heel, your foot fully touching the ground. Okay, just relax. Feel the stretch on the lower hamstring. Just feel it. Stay there for at least 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. During the morning time, our body remains very stiff. It takes time to get into the full swing mode. So initially try very softly. Give some time to your body. Okay? One more. Let's do it. So the other one is little for the intermediate stage. Okay? One leg here. Just try to go down as much as you can. It's not necessary you touch the ground. Let's go. So here you go. And come back. Look up. Slowly, slowly, you will be able to reach the ground. Okay? Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's do it for the other leg. Bring it forward. Look up. Look up. And just relax. Bring both the legs in front. So friends, these are the few exercises which you can apply, which you can try to make yourself more flexible. Always remember, it will not happen in one day, not in 2 days. Continuous practice, dedication will lead you to your higher self. And yes, try to close your eyes and meditate for 2 to 3 minutes initially. Try it out. You will be benefited. So till the next lesson, stay connected, stay blessed. Thank you.